Show me where you thought, where's, your tongue looks better. Where do you think there's a bomb in your mouth? Let me see. Well, why would you think that he put a bomb in your mouth?
Because he doesn't like me.
Because he doesn't like you?
No.
Why? You were nice, weren't you? Did you bite him?
No.
So were the nurses nice? Yeah. What? It's an ice pack for your teeth. Makes you look really pretty. Just soft. So, let me see. Yeah.
Whoa, what was that?
The gauze, I guess? Yeah. Put your fingers. So who all was back there with you?
Jesus was there. I think the Lord has took my teeth.
Jesus took your teeth?
I think so. Yeah. I think, I don't know.
If you get a smoothie, you know you can't suck through the straw. You have to eat it with a spoon.
No, because then I think all my other teeth out and they get really sick.
Yeah. What is that white thing up there on your tooth? Does it feel weird?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I felt something.
Yeah, okay. Did you see Daddy?
Yeah. Like, he's a blind guy, right?
Yeah.
That's all.